right, guys, we're here for a 90-90 stretch for the hips. This is great for runners, any endurance athlete, biking, swimming, because in those activities and sports, you only work going straight ahead. So a lot of times you lose a little bit of mobility in that rotation. So the 90-90 is named for putting your leg and knee at 90 and your leg and knee at 90 degrees. So we're going to do both sides. So when you get in this position, the first thing that you should feel is that you can be upright. A lot of people, if you're really tight, you're going to start to fall over. So that's step one. Step two is you're going to start to stretch. And when you stretch, you should feel a nice stretch on the backside of your hip or your glute. And then when you go backwards, you should feel a good stretch in your hip on this side. Now I'm going to switch sides and watch what happens. So for me, that side's pretty good. This side is a little more challenging. Remember I said the way that we test this is by seeing if we can stay upright? I can do it, but it's much harder on this side. And so I know I've got a little bit of an imbalance or a tightness. Specifically, I can feel it in this hip. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go forward, and then I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to go forward and back. The goal here for you is to make sure it feels as equal as possible on each side. And if it doesn't, you definitely have some work to do.